Okay, so I think I got this Sony boom box put together. I replaced two belts. Where'd they go? Let me see. Let's look at the belts. Yeah, one of them stayed mostly together. It just fell apart some more, and the other one just got balled up in there, turned into goo. But I think I have it working. This is a tape of my dad, who's passed away now, and my cousins. They're all jamming. Let's check it out. See how well it works. Doing good. Okay, let's fast forward a little bit. Fast forward works good. I was concerned because the take-up reel didn't have very much power against my fingers, so I had to try it with a tape just to make sure. Oh, there'll be no teardrops tonight. Okay, so let's do the rewind. Rewind everything we just fast forwarded and played. And it's done. Play again. Yep. So everything's working. I'm surprised that old tape played. It's got problems where it got heated up one time. Or at least this cartridge did. It got heated up down there. I'm surprised it's been able to play on that one. It wasn't able to play on all of them I've tried it on. Oh well, I guess this baby's ready.